next topic, that is detection of chemical change. How can we check the chemical change will take place or not? For the detection of the chemical change, we can check it by, in chemical change, the first property is one or more substances are formed. How can we prove that in chemical change new substances are formed? For this, you can do an activity with any metal or any substance. Let us take the example of the magnesium ribbon. When magnesium ribbon burn in air, when magnesium ribbon burns in air, it converts into magnesium oxide. Basically, the magnesium ribbon is the metallic form or the white substance just like the metal. When it burns in air, the magnesium oxide, new substance is formed, which is in the powder form. It means by the reaction of magnesium with air, we get new substance, that is magnesium oxide. Means here the chemical change will take place. Another example, when we burn any fuel in air, it also gives you heat and light or any other gas. So more than one new substances are formed which are irreversible. Irreversible means you cannot change the new substance into previous one. Similarly, in digestion of food. In digestion of food, when food is digested in our body, you cannot change it again, the raw material or the food that you can eat. It means this is the example of the chemical change. The next property of the chemical change is, in chemical change, the evolution of the gases will take place. In this example, this property is also done. And the next property is change in color will take place. Change in color. How can you check that change in color will take place in chemical reaction? For this, you can do the activity. For this, when potassium iodide is added in the lead nitrate solution, its color changes. The color of the solution change. This shows that the chemical reaction will take place. The change in color in any substance by adding or by heating shows that chemical reaction will take place. The next property is the evolution of the gas. How can you check that the evolution of the gas will take place? You can easily check it by an activity. For example, any metal, the metal may be iron, zinc, aluminium, any metal, when react with acid, it form a new compound along with the release of the hydrogen gas. This evolution of the gas shows that the substance undergo the chemical change. In any metal, when you add the acid, for example in iron, when you add the hydrochloric acid, it converts into the iron chloride along with the release of the hydrogen gas. How can you check that there is release of the hydrogen gas? In the test tube, when the gas is evolved, you can take a burning candle on the mouth of the test tube. A popping sound will produce. That popping sound, just like in the bursting of the crackers, is produced. This shows that the release of the hydrogen gas will take place. It means in all the chemical changes, either one or more substances are formed, one or more than one substances are formed. Next is evolution of the gases, and next one is the change in physical state. Change in state as well as change in color will take place. These are the properties to identify whether the substance undergo chemical change or not. Is it clear to all of you? Thank you.